Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? It's ATO. What's up, guys? I am just dropping Rachel off at the room to go. So that's hey guys. I'm just picking up Rachel at room to go. It is really scorching hot. It is 40 degrees, which is so hot outside. Yeah, it's so humid outside. Oh, really humid outside. Yeah. It is crazy, but it is so crazy. So yeah, that's what's going on. So right now, you guys, we are just relaxing inside the car. It is super hot today. It's scorching hot, so that's what's going on. We're just checking out the free swim, so that's what's going on. I am getting barbecue in this heat, so that's kind of cool and exciting. Chicken and potato salad and hibiscus with lemon. So now, you guys, we are going swimming, so that's what's going on, you guys, at the YMCA. So that's what's going on, you guys. What you doing, Grace?